Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about the undergraduate humanities essay format in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This is a more general template based on a humanities essay format used at several UK universities, although those that use it will probably have specifics you might have to change. From the look of it, it could also be used by many people just wanting a simple essay format for themselves. As usual, this template has an About page, which has much of the same information all the other academic templates do. It also has an example essay in the Research folder. The format is quite simple. The title page is included in the main essay folder. As you can see, it has been populated with my name, which is taken from my author information. This is found under File, Options, and Author Information. You need to have filled this out before creating your Scrivener project. The other information on this page is intended only to be a prompt for you to fill in or change, apart from the date field, which will automatically date this project with the current date on compile. Everything else should be typed in the body document under the main content. Just ignore me inputting dummy text in the background. There is no template page for endnotes or for any kind of bibliography, as in the other academic templates we've looked at. The About page says that if you want endnotes rather than footnotes, you should change that in the compile screen. We'll do that when we get there. The bibliography, I assume, will have to be created manually if you have one, or by using your citation manager with Microsoft Word. See this video if you want to integrate your citation manager with Scrivener, if it's compatible. In the compile screen, there is a specific undergraduate essay project format. If you look in Assign Section Layouts, there are only two section type options, Group and Text, and both types are given the same text layout. The text option is the one that defines the two text documents in the binder. If you want your footnotes to be endnotes, in the panel on the right under the gear icon, click on the relevant tick box. If you want more info on footnotes and endnotes and how to create them, see this video. Now, the header data for your document is, as you can see from the sample essay, your initial and surname, which is taken from the author information we looked at earlier. It also contains the print date information, plus student ID and supervisor surname, and, of course, page number. To input the student ID and supervisor name, you have to go to the ABAC section in the right-hand panel. In the second column where it says With, type in your student ID and your supervisor name. If you don't need all this info in your final document, the easiest way to remove it would be to do that in Word. Alternatively, double-click on the Formatting Compile, go to Page Settings, Header and Footer Text, and remove the unwanted code from the header box. And I think that's it. Let's compile and see what we get. It looks pretty much like the example essay, so no problems there, although the endnotes are displayed slightly differently. Let's zoom in. Yes, they're created using Roman numerals. If this isn't what you want, go back into the format and under Footnotes and Comments, choose the numbering system you prefer. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.